In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove pages from a PDF. Now, the website we're going to be using is called TinyWow.com, and it's completely free to sign up. Now, the tool on here which we're going to use is this one just here, where it says delete pages from a PDF. Now, what I'll do is also link this down in the description. Now, once you're on here, all that we have to do is simply select our files from our device, and we can simply just drag it directly onto the page just like that. It's going to take a few seconds, then it's going to pull up every single page in our PDF. Then if we want to delete any of these, let's not do the calendar, let's go with these last two, or this last one. So all we have to do is simply click onto that. Then it's going to put that page number just here. We can see that's 14. We can click on more if we want to delete more as well. If we make a mistake, we can just simply click back onto it to deselect it. Then all we have to do is simply click on delete, wait for the captcha, leave it a couple of seconds, and then bam, our selected pages have then been deleted. So from here, all we have to do is simply click on download. We can save to device or save to drive. For this example, we're going to go with device. Then we're going to leave it a second. And if we look here, if we open this now, we can then see that this now has 13 pages instead of the previous 14. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to delete pages from a PDF, and completely for free. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.